Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set leverage in Metatrader 4 app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see lots of forex options to trade. You can choose any of them according to your want, and now you'll be able to see the trade options. Just simply tap over there. And now you can see the 0.01, which is actually a leverage. You can see just down below the instant executions on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to set or adjust your leverage, let's say 20x. And now simply click on sell or buy, and you'll be able to set leverage successfully. So basically this is how you can set leverage in Metatrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.